All right. First of all, note that same degree, degree 2 over degree 2. So y equals 1 over 1 is the horizontal asymptote. And then if you factor, you can only factor the top, and the bottom is actually always positive. So there's actually no vertical asymptote. Okay, so there's actually no discontinuity on this graph, which means the domain is all real values. Okay. X-intercepts are 0, that comes from the numerator, 0 and -2. And y-intercept, okay, is 0. Pass through 0, 0. Okay, so I mean, I can do a quick sketch here with that, even though the question didn't really ask for it. Here is 0, -2. Those are the x-intercepts. And this is always positive. So this graph will have the same sign as 0, -2. It's positive, negative, positive, right? And it has a horizontal asymptote at 1. Okay. So it's above the x-axis before -2. So it has to either look like this or has to maybe cross and come back down. Okay, just do a quick check. Does it equal to 1 ever? Is there a solution where this is intersecting y equals 1? So if you multiply that to the other side, you get x squared plus 2. That crosses out, and you do get one value. X equals 1, it intersects. So at 1, we're going to actually hit that. So here it doesn't hit it, so it has to do that. All right, and then it's negative, so it has to just go down and come back up. And then here, it's got to go up and come back down.